Teach you how to create time and space in movies. Fix your phone on a tripod to shoot people walking forward. To raise your hands twice. Finger snapping action. Back to front. After the video is imported and edited, turn off the original sound first. Light up video. Copy this video. Light up the previous video. Cut picture in picture. Move to the first finger snapping position. Light up the main video. Toolbar point freeze. Freeze a 3-second picture. Then stretch the picture to the second finger snap action position. Move to the back. Align picture in picture split. Delete the extra part after the main video. Return to the previous position of the freeze frame. Light up the picture in picture toolbar. Find mask. Select linear mask. Click to adjust parameters. Spinning here. Rotate the mask line about 90 degrees. This will cover the right side of the picture in picture. And the freeze frame of the main video is displayed. First move the mask line to the position of the hand. Try to display as many road scenes as possible in the main video. Gently pull a little feathering. Tick. Move and see. First finger snapping position. The vehicle stops. The second time you snapped your fingers, the vehicle started again. Now let's add the finger snapping sound effect. Move to the first finger snap position. Return to main toolbar. Click audio. Sound effects. Enter, snap your fingers to search. Choose the first one. Add in. Move the sound effect to the finger snap position. Then light up the sound effect copy. Place the copied sound effect at the second finger snap position. Back to front. Add a suitable piece of music. Select the part you like and use play. Look at the overall effect. Share it here today. Remember to like and subscribe. Convenient to find me when needed.